Hey y'all, happy Saturday night. It's Saturday night and it's after 9. But my sister had called me and I'd heard, but I didn't think too much of it about the Fabuloso recall. So it shows you the UPC is 03500053032. And then the manufacturing code, y'all can't see. Let me see if I can zoom in on it. Yeah, it's 3023US 7818L. So that's the one that's being recalled. And this is what it says. The impacted batches will have a manufacturing lot code where the first 8 digits begin with 2348 US 78 through 2365 US 78 and 3001 US 78 through 3023 US 78. Any manufacturing lot code containing an MX is not part of the recall and is safe to use.
I feel the love, I feel it growing every day. I feel the love.